Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Wawanesa, Manitoba, a peaceful prairie community nestled along the Souris River. The area was first visited by Europeans in the late 1800s when settlers began farming along the riverbanks. The name Wawanesa comes from the Ojibwa word Wawanesii for whippoorwill. One of the town's proudest historic moments came in 1896 when local farmers founded the Wawanesa Mutual Insurance Company. Now, one of Canada's largest insurers, agriculture has always driven life here, with fertile fields and quiet roads weaving through markets and farms. The Souris River Valley provides scenic beauty and outdoor opportunities for fishing, hiking, and relaxing by the water. Whether you're tracing the town's rich history or simply enjoying the quiet beauty of the valley, Wawanesa leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Wawanesa, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Thanks for watching.